In this video, I will show you how to fix. In this video, I will show you how to fix and resolve Direct 3D or DirectDraw acceleration not available on Windows 11. To fix this problem, search here REGEDIT. Open Registry Editor. Now here expand HK current user, then software, then Microsoft. Now here you will see this setting. Double click on it. Now right click on it, new word, and select debug 32. Now type here disable. HW acceleration. Now right click on it, modify, make validator 1. Click on OK. Now exit and restart your system. After restart, search here Windows features on or off. Now here click on Windows Components, then check the box for Direct Play. Then click on OK and restart your system. So this is the method you can fix and resolve this error. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you.